how to turn on or off comments notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click hub, and then these three lines here and click settings, and here you will find notifications, and then just scroll down until you find here comments, and then click if you want to turn it off or on, just click this one, push notifications. Here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.